Hey Fashion Fam! Today I'm breaking down this effortless, everyday outfit that looks and feels like a dream all in just 2 minutes. Let's go! First up, the base. I'm rocking a white crop tee, super breathable and perfect for layering. It's minimal but makes the whole look feel fresh and clean. Next, these high-waisted wide-leg jeans. Total game changer. They cinch at the waist, give that effortless silhouette, and they're insanely comfy. Accessories? Always. I've added a chunky gold necklace and small hoops enough to add shine, without going overboard. For shoes, I kept it classic with white sneakers. Clean, stylish, and they go with literally everything. And if you're heading out, throw on a beige oversized blazer and a crossbody bag. Instantly elevated. Fashion tip: balance is key. If you're going for loose bottoms, keep the top fitted and vice versa. That's how you create effortless vibes without trying too hard. If you love this look, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more 2-minute outfit inspo every week. See you in the next one.